Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to display your FPS in games using the Nvidia app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Settings at left, then open Overlay. Click Tab Alt plus Z to open it. This section controls things that appears on your screen while playing games like FPS recording or screenshot. Click to open it. Inside the overlay settings, look for performance overlay or FPS counter and turn it on. You can also choose a style like simple numbers or a small graph depending on your preference. Now select where you want the FPS counter to appear, top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right. Pick a spot where it doesn't block your game. If you don't see an option, you can simply tap Alt plus R and look at the top. Here you can see your FPS, GPU, CPU. Now open any game on your PC. You should see now the FPS counter in the corner you selected. If it doesn't appear, you can just press Alt plus R and that's it. Now you are ready to monitor your FPS in real time. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next